What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the TechHub.training Alteryx and Excel Loyalty Incentive Challenge Solution video. Right, so we're going to show the Excel version of this solution first here. So here is my data originally. Got the employee name, birthday, social security number, hire date. And so what I did first was in this column, I concatenated the names of the employees. So I did concat and had B2, comma, space right here, and then the next A2. And then I just copy that all the way down, a full name. Next, I did something a little different. So I decided to make two columns. So first I had everyone with the 5-year date. So here is my formula. So basically, if their hire date was greater than or equal to the 1st of January of 2018, then they were new. If it was more than that, then it was 5. So then I got everyone that was 5 years. And then since we have that other condition of 10 years plus, I also did the same one and then the same if statement per se, and then just changed the date to 2013. And if it was greater than that, then they also have been there for 10 plus years. So then I had to return 10 plus. And then if they weren't, I had to return 5. So then I did the kind of old school way. I have all these 10 plus. So anyone that has a 10 plus has obviously been there for 10 plus. Anyone that has 2 5s goes in the 5 to 9 category. And then we get down people who are new 5, which don't get any loyalty incentive. So then I kind of just copied all the data of the 5 and 10 columns to here. And then I got, full name, hire date, and this is the list of employees. And then same with this 5 plus. I took everyone here that had the 5 and 5 in both columns and put them here. So these are the employees with the 5 to 9 incentive, and these are the employees with the 10 plus. Hopefully that made sense. Thanks for coming to the website. Continue working on your skills using this fabulous resource. Thanks.